welcome back to my channel. So this is a subtle look on black sari. The blouse is I made it out of my dress. You have seen it, I wore it on my birthday, and this is a look I did for the farewell as for the freshers, because the time is coming nearby and people are really want to know about the look and everything. So let's get to the video. So guys, starting first with my Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey Moisturizer. I'm just going to take this amount of my moisturizer and I'm just going to put it all in my face. Put it on your cheek, neck and this area as well, because it is also going to be moisturized. Now I'm using my Prep and Prime from MAC. I guess I'm using my Prep and Prime from MAC. It's not focusing. And I'm using this amount of my cream and just rubbing between my hands and just going in with the face. So guys, moving on to my Maybelline Age Rewind, I'm just going to conceal my eyelids and prepare them for the eyeshadow base. So guys, I'm going to use my COLOURPOP Cute AF palette and I'm just going to take these two shades and make it Maybelline pot and the brush that comes with the Maybelline thing, and I'm just going to apply it on my lid. So guys, I told you I'm going to do a little bit of golden. I just forgot and I just said all those words. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to take my Wild Child palette from BH Cosmetics. This one is gifted by one of my friends, that is Hero San. She gifted me on my birthday and it came around a month late before my birthday. I got it after a month late. So yeah, it was in the custom and it took so long. So we are going to mix this and this color, and I'm just going to apply it with the help of my fingers. Yeah guys, I did my eyelashes off screen. Now I'm going to move to the base. So let's get going. So here I'm using my old and gold L'Oreal Infallible and MAC. These are two shades. I'm going to mix both of them, and most probably I'm taking this Infallible because it's a bit light shade to mine, and I'm taking it in a good quantity because I have done this smoky look. So basically, if you're doing a smoky look, you have to have a good base, thick base. So I'm just going in and guys, for the lower lids, I'm going with the same brush I have used for my upper. So I'm just going to do nothing. I'm just going to take this and just putting it in because it still has the black pigment in it. You can see. Now I'm going to take again my Age Rewind concealer and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes and the high points of my face. Freedom contour palette, and it's almost broken, darling. I have to fix this, but I'm not getting the time to fix it. And I'm taking my contour brush from Real Technique and I'm just going to dab a little. Okay, for highlight, I am going to do a new thing, that is, I'm going to use my Wild Child palette. It has this beautiful white shade over here. It is all shimmery, and what I like about this is it highlights. Yeah, so once I am going to firstly put it on my inner corners of the eyes. So guys, as I have done a very heavy look for the sari, so I'm again going with my Miss Claire 04 and my Faces lip gloss, and I'm just going to put it in.